Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in a BMW 5 Series, so like 520i, 523i, 525i, for example. And this was the key fob used from 2007 to 2010 for the 5 Series. Now there's two different types of fobs that you may have gotten, key remotes here. Comfort access and then the non-comfort access version. If you have the non-comfort access version, the backing won't have this square outline that you see here in the comfort access key. So I'll show you how to replace that in another video. But to replace your 5 Series battery with the comfort access, all you have to do is to press the button here to remove the valet key, and this will give you access to a small little hole right in the middle of the backing that pops off here. And what you can do is just take a small flathead screwdriver or even some nail clippers and just kind of slowly pry into that gap right there, and that'll allow you to pop off this back here and give you access to the replaceable battery that you need for your 5 Series. And to replace this, the battery is the CR2032, CR2032. Pop that out. Grab a new one. Just make sure the positive side is facing you, which is the side with the text on it here that shows the battery type. Pop that back in, and that'll kind of play a little bit. You can depress it, and then pop the back on. That snaps in, and that's it. So that's how you replace the battery on your BMW 5 Series if you have a model from 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010.